Hey guys, we received this NEENCA knee sleeves for test and try. So this is the two-pack knee sleeves for adults. So let me just open it and see. So this is basically good for any sports activity or for any other purposes. And you can just put it on your knees. So let me just open up. So there are two pieces, so two pack for both knees, and these are really like elastic material. So this hold for the two knees here, and you can see a nice design and copper look things here, and also like from the top you can see this grip for the knees, like for the thighs, so that this will not slip, and then also the nice elastic so it can hold well. From the bottom also it's the same thing with a nice fabric and the knee space here and the things you can see is a nice fit. So once I put it on my knees, you can see that there is no issue with the bending, and then it's really comes well on my knees, and then the knees fits on this particular space, and then you can easily bend and work or walk or run along with this knee sleeves.